Hi, I'm Daniel and I'm going to show you the new version of the SketchUp extension Movable Joints. There are some improvements and new features, so take a look on this video to learn more. I prepare folding doors to show you the new features of the extension. But first let's check the improvements. So now the slider movement function is improved, because in the past sometimes the slider stuck, and now it runs smoother. Also we can change the position on the control page, position of the joints, and it will save the position of the joint. So when I close this window, open it again, position of those joints are the same as I said before. The new feature is that we can move all those joints at the same time. So there is one slider, and this slider allows us to move all objects at once. Also, we can press play button to animate from one position to another position, and the same to move back to this. So this could help you to create more complicated models